These apps are designed to make learning fun, engaging, and interesting regardless of age. Plus, they help you craft an educational experience they'll be excited to do day after day. So without further ado, let's get to it. First on the list is Starfall. This is the best app for young learners who are first learning colors, ABCs, and general reading comprehension. Kids can sing along to catchy songs, explore interactive animations, and work through hands-on activities that make the foundational skills exciting. Whether they're first starting to learn their ABCs or mastering simple equations, Starfall provides a structured yet playful way to build confidence in early education. Plus, Starfall isn't just about academics. With activities that promote kindness and creativity, it helps kids develop important life skills alongside their academics. It's no wonder why thousands of families consider Starfall a homeschooling must. Next up, this is for those first starting to learn about culture, geography, and the wider wonderful world around us. All the World, Explore and Learn is an app perfect for bringing geography education into your household. It's like giving your child a passport to the world all without leaving your living room. With stunning visuals, fun facts, and interactive games, kids can explore countries, learn about their unique cultures, and discover fascinating wildlife and ecosystem. What sets this app apart is how it inspires curiosity in children. Your child isn't just hearing about names and places, they're gaining a deeper appreciation for the diversity and beauty of our world. So whether they're exploring ancient landmarks or are pioneering through rainforest habitat, All the World, Explore and Learn is the perfect way to get your child more invested in their education through their interest in the world around them. Next is Adventure Academy. This app is perfect for kids a little on the older side, above 10, below 14. Set in a vibrant world where they're exploring a vivid landscape with a custom avatar, this will hit right at home for any children who are already gamers. During the game, your children will be solving problems, going on great adventures and quests that all align with a very well-curated curriculum. This immersive approach to learning is one of the standout features of Adventure Academy. Your child isn't just reading or watching passively, they're actively engaging in the material, which gives them a sense of ownership over what they learn and makes them far more likely to actually use it in the future. From building vocabulary through word games to exploring scientific principles in a hands-on way, every activity feels like play, all while delivering real educational value. And with new content added regularly, there's always something to explore. With just these 3 apps, you already have a fantastic toolbox to help make your homeschooling not just effective, but more engaging, interactive, and produce better results at the end. Children won't just be excited to show up to learn, but they'll carry these lessons with them forever. So, are you ready to take the plunge and explore more about how you can make your homeschooling better? Check out smartbubblegum.com, where we have a full suite of homeschooling resources, blogs, interviews, books, and plenty more apps than what we've named here, all curated to help you create the best educational environment for your child. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe because we'll be putting out more videos like this every week. So we'll see you next time.